this particular air accident involving 8 people, no, other presidents are coming because of his awareness. It hardly happens, and that is why we need the emphasis and the state grief on this particular issue.
All right, Wahab, say I dey back one Ghana for edi unkomo pa no any black box. Na ye pese ye hu emu nchirechire mu. Say ya tese ya see ye hu. Moving forward, ebia na e was Ghana for enso so eti e pass a black box no any nchirechire bi a pese odi ma ya no pay. E fa black box no.
First of all, the issue of black box, I raise it in this country.
Okay.
I firstly raise it. Because air accident is here, so we need to know the air accidents here, the safety. Say who they see here, near who say it be maybe near who your corrections, and no issue no. But the accident in the whole country was just only emotional driven speeches and messages, and some of us raised the issue of technical, and it's saying. Near technical presentation, technical responses. Air Force now plane noted today as we speak. Omeka side, Ghana Civil Aviation, Omeka side, Air Traffic Control, Omeka side, and your war aircraft accident emergency response team. A lot of stimulations and drills. Our Kotuka International Airport, headed by Airport Police Station. Obia Mekasai. And the messages echo out in Naye, and we now was a good person or contribute to our parliament. We so Nina box everything together. Namin for Mukrensi, Omoko. But how do we know they are true Omo? That is why some of us raise the issue. Say, me, I don't accept. And I'm the first person to have raised it. I don't agree and accept, say, air traffic control is a flight in Ira. Collaborated story by Air Force. Intimate as a flight Ira. Flight in Ira, intimate go do the destination enclave. Flight Ira no, and Ira no, Ebi and Kebawa Kuhun Burkina, and answer Sierra Leone, because our aircraft intimate got 3.5 hours and sun and fuel as and this airline aircraft, what taking the path, the route. From Kotoka International Airport, Air Force B Hall, now all call Boise. We're supposed to be 35 minutes. Now, what you do around that time, 9:12, I'm so 2 years now. Around 10 o'clock, now flight in a ship, our destination enclave, and the flight in 9 years. And to be my candidacy and chain. And then awareness after my interview with other networks on Wednesday, and you met the see a black box. And the problem is that. Up to now, Obia Mekas, I say, in what state a black box? Because aircraft, ever tough from a helicopter, it is like a bottle. The main body, no ankasano, a dismember, a two, a free, ni tail, no. It's in a plane, the share, once any tail, no missy ho, and any tail, ni jank, because a show from a dislodge from the body. We designing in the way on a black box in the na black box in a shahono. On Wednesday na pressure the buyer you move bisa questions no. The TN say no technical person and of course na Air Force for Ghana Aviation will be a Mekasai Ashanti regional minister who is a medical doctor. Or say we have found the black box and even the communication tone and the mood say on the Twitter page, and Lord because says we have found the black box. I had my problem with it. Okongo black box na to the ho. And I say, ne share a yimunite ni munu. When the man idea, when the copeja a go to black box in man. So I'm a magazine for and I say technician been a year. In what mode? Because who go to black box? Black box must be preserved, conserved.
Yeah.
With the data. So if even Crown would make one single mistake with any wire Crown, what they store to information. So to take the regional minister of Ashanti region to see, say, I have found the black box as we speak. Enu mi no awoti studio man dear. Obianka in what situation the whom black boss no. Afei no no asa by the next day. Say parts and components. Aye machine no metal ni bi. Only a technical person to know metal and the share in the ira. Because accident is see aircraft. Omutimi pesi put two metals and get put together. Some of us have raised an argument say ebi an unfriendly fire and a hit flight no. Ebi obi launch a rocket and or the hit flight no. Ebi so an technical reason be and or hit flight no. Black box no. You need analyzer ukrom ha. You need stimulator ukrom ha. And a black box no airline no China for the year. Okay. But the same flight no. France for no ne version. America one version. Z-9 no America will be French for will be and a Chinese for more dear. And the use. And this year per se analyze black box now. Check Chinese for no and answer France and America and I bet my analyze it. Into condition be mu and a regional minister no or the black box no or the amahwan. Why the war black box no way. You analyze it and I analyze it. And some of us are saying, say, before the accident in the basin, there had been a conversation, a cockpit voice recorder. So, and none of the Ghana air traffic control on the flight in Idinkomo, all man clearance, I'm an apajanimo, all man clearance, and then I dispatch it. Now, all my flight controller, no, a year pilot, now squadron leader, no, all can't and say, my picking my altitude, my picking my path. Bedroom level goodbye a honey dear esen kasamri no enkoma ba me eti this year no nya black box eno so emaye and the issue is flight na ira no na o speed by no level by ehin na wadu no omni lose contact eno so emaye into this black box very crucial nemum surprisingly no anajo ye hu in the dailies newspaper your friend say online mo say after the accident emergency response unit be one Mr. Wombo to be Abekasa said the preliminary results of the aircraft accident will be known in 1 month. Papa, it doesn't work out like that. It does not work out like that. Say an individual being also ahead. That's an individual no flight no accident in Sieno. Ye team no ewo accident destination na crime scene. Ye mo Air Force say oma koho akwa nanka dia esi ye pese investigation no any serious nation who could deal off the whole area. You also just amusemoda jungles achiase. You also just amusemoda special forces independence more special forces independent for the same square hall I want amoya special forces. Montimi kwa guide area mu ho up to now me no ka say enkurase for ne sabi omu na akoso abodi no entu omu free exit and entry omu nam accident no bi akọ obi ne behu metal anu afa obi ne behu ya anu afa. How are we going to investigate this? Wo beka say yes say 1 month up and you bring preliminary results. It is not true. You should be able to update the state. The air traffic control should be able to update the state. How a flight, will take it off. Or slide here, now or four springs in the air, epic in the course. Before so obeja air traffic control, or Bekasa, I'm good. I'm on my altitude, my doom level, I'm good to go. No so I can say goodbye, safe skies. Or 25 minutes into the flight, or Besa by air traffic control, no so. Tawa ne be communicate we do the destination guide no na onye den on land day ahọ no nyina na ekasa no wo ho anase na kasa ne ma because no about 3 minutes away
okay
on the landing spot the black box ne ka ho asem no it is not an issue Ghana the media minimum say yente ho asem I can say this message or this news or this information of black box will never be made known.
Now, because yes. The flight recorder no data it was an information I was no would you say, sir, it will be on a need-to-know basis because of national security? And I say, Obeka say, just so the people will feel at ease. Na young Ghana for the Behunia Echo. Now you be a free mono. I was so in the public.
There's no national security Ghana involving an aircraft accident that happened on the soil Ghana. Passenger aircraft carrying the 370. Perishe or Russia, Malaysia flight, Egypt Air, Ebeto Cote d'Ivoire Hasi, Ethiopia to Cote d'Ivoire. Within a matter of seconds, air traffic accident, air for the safety of the world.
Yeah.
It's a world knowledge. You need security be a DC. The recordings need to take place. Conversation need to take place between the air traffic control and the pilot. You know, and sign over as a plane. And one of the infra black box. That could remain public for us to know there's challenges.
Okay.
It won't mean can't say any security reason. There is nothing called security reasons in air traffic control.
You have a huge concern about how they are handling the flight recorder, no, because you mentioned say and can you say regional minister no on nanka was say handle. But the way I'm handle no. A bit me about said they could tamper with anything unknowingly. Also, could they actually destroy evidence by the way they handle
or destroy evidence deliberately? But we are talking about the technical people or the technical person who handled that particular, because your friend said black box into anaho a tail nimu, and the tail was not was not bent. And to me bisa say regional minister no peja tail no and what the koye and we black box no, and I say omo ma electrician bi and we say screws bi bom enu 2 year. Because this is a sensitive data. It requires the cockpit voice recorder, and require the flight voice data recorder, the FGR, any CVR, no, and also our accident data recorder. And your mammy and son are combined. In the some of the bigger aircraft, you use 2, and some of the helicopter, you use 1. All the 3 combined together. It is a with a certain sensitivity, a certain knowledge of how to deal with the machine. And then Amibisa said, Omo Paja till in a Kumasi, and we could 2 years, and to park and so. Now, myself, Bisa said, I didn't up to now. Air Force, Ghana Army, Chief of Defense Staff, Air Marshal, Group Marshal, any group, your friend say, the group commander, and a wing commander. No. Omunina obi antime ma mekasai and oma muso nko ho no the saddest aspect I mean no mi hu say soldier near wu and with aircraft accident of such kind of a sorrowful your friend say we are omu perish here na sabi a country of 40 million ye kasa so che country be in Africa ye bosi on say ni nyansa na ye ni homicide unit of the military. Yet, who are 37 hospital. Yet, who are hospital of 4B in Kumasi. Yet, who are 2 brigade in Kumasi. Homicide unit. And for body bag. And the side nipa sabi. Yamu and Kasem Fembum. Now the nipa wo as a soldier. Now the remains. The skeleton remains at the Ashabotum. It is even a crime for a military. Non-military to carry the body of a military person, because the defense minister is also considered as a military person.
Yeah,
it's a crime. I don't know. Country no address that issue. Minya obi amani mejina honka ho asem. Minya military mo ma be apologize here, and mo me deny say bottom na ye yi no na nye koko ni gum.
Okay.
Ye mo me skeleton. Na ye musa say so jeni ben ena nyame ato ne nsa afre no ya retire no kura wo retirement onya 90 years sabi ne body abusuafo ne so a. Have you seen that before? Once a soldier, always a soldier unto your grave.
Okay.
Until then buy.
What was Sampa no Wahab answer near Becono and Kofobi how on Kakra bibi one na Kakra was say Sanka play any bohos and ya walker Enka planning to tin ye fragment nkete esa. And some people are saying say maybe there's some missile be and I say bibi sa so they are the wadwene ho and I say obi aka bibi sa
I'm telling you on authority. I first raised that question in this country. Say time na accident in see and the first point of investigation Kombu area ho galamsey size na ho. These people and chair and a cocoa a gold board around Saki Omuji gold any money running about 4 billion. And these Chinese drones rocketa ebia oma launch your friend is a missile oma launch shoulder to air missile bi oma package so seeing the military aircraft coming there no, they could have blown it in the wilderness. I raised that issue. Yes, I'm agreeing wants to say.
Okay.
And I also say aircraft no say no. And no dear, like I said, say jets and a military aircraft, a helicopter choppers no, a top former, a dismember.
Okay.
82.
All right.
Then we concern say spring gear. Almost seat belts and our straps, it means for a spring gate. A big crowd in our office, passengers nipper 18. A big crowd in a machine, a baku crowd to Miriam.
All right.
Omashi, dear, Omashi. But you and Timmy can say nipper 18 a she because Omashi into ashes. Are we sure, say, a big crowd in the mid air now, it blow apart, our mountains and suspectedly, a big crowd nipper be to you anymore.
Okay.
We haven't conducted that search.
All right.
Because there have been several accidents. Machine crash here. We cover area of 2 kilometers radius.
All right.
2 kilometers square. No more they should share. Because accidents, I see, I'm a military jet and as a chopper. A springing the party me to bear almost 500 meters away in the bush.
All right, Farouk Al Wahab, I don't pay your brand ya be. Inti ya da wasipi. Onyankopon shira pass and pay wa be kan ho. I want the max morning show so.
All right.
All right. Inti abusuafo yemfa da kati ma Ora Farouk Al Wahab or your international diplomat and security consultant. A man who do be brave from Gulf to Africa to the Americas. The pa be consulting no. Aban who do be brave pa nti na me the pass wa be kan ho. Abusua ya